As some US and European officials advocated de-risking from China recently, a British business leader said that this concept puts the West at risk of losing most.
But I think that the Americans have found it easier to explain away the advances that China has made by demonizing China. And whether one talks about decoupling, de-risking, whatever words one wants to use, the world has changed beyond all imagination. And the idea that the world can be segregated again into areas, the people who will lose most if the world is segregated will be the West. They will lose the best new markets in the world.
Harry also spoke positively about China's role in bolstering the world economy by creating business opportunities.
I don't think that anybody can isolate China. It's a fantasy. Everywhere you go, you see China. China's bought into companies around the world. It's doing development around the world. It's investing in technologies and different ways of innovating across the world. The situation in the world right now is that China is offering a lot of opportunities for international companies to do good business, and the international companies are taking up those opportunities.